Hello guys, we have a question here that says a thin diamagnetic rod is placed vertically between the poles of an electromagnet. When the current in the electromagnet is switched on, then the diamagnetic rod is pushed up out of the horizontal magnetic field. Hence the rod gains gravitational potential energy. The work required to do this comes from. Okay, so let's move on to the solution. What is the reason behind this? So the rod is placed vertically in between the two poles of a magnet. Like I will draw a rough diagram that will give you an idea. Okay. Okay. The now the rod is placed in between the two poles of magnet. These are our two poles, north or south, and this is our rod. Okay. So when the current is made to flow in it, the current is flowing, the I current is flowing, and electromagnetic field is induced. This force acts perpendicular on the rod. That is, it pushes the rod horizontally out of the bounds of the magnetic poles. Okay. This is the direction of the gravitational potential energy. Therefore, it is safe to say that the work done by horizontal gravitational force on the rod is contributed by electrical current flowing in it. Okay, so the lattice structure of the rod has nothing to do with the induction of the horizontal gravitational potential energy on it. This is so because gravity works on the mass as a whole. So, option A is not our answer to the question. The correct option is 3, the current source. Okay. Thank you.